What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Mo, and I am back with another video. Thank you for the love that you guys have been showing me, for the views. It's been amazing being back on YouTube, and I'm really enjoying creating content for you guys. As you can tell by the thumbnail, we are doing a sheet pan meal, which is a super easy meal for those of you say that you do not have enough time to cook. Made this meal in 30 minutes or less. Maybe about 35 minutes because the prep took a little bit longer and then you got to cook it. But it was so good. So we're using zucchini. You can use any vegetable, broccoli, green beans. Put you some carrots on there, some squash. Make sure you season it good how you like it. As you can see in the video, I showed you the seasonings that I had on deck. I need to restock my seasonings, but it's all good. So now we're doing a red bell pepper. Love some bell peppers. When I was younger, didn't really like them so much. But now, I put peppers on everything. So good, so delicious, and they're healthy. I even grew some peppers in my little garden at my house. Y'all, they were the miniest peppers I ever seen. I wish I could show you. Maybe I might be able to find a video or something to show y'all one day. But anyways, got my red peppers. I'm going to do yellow pepper. Yep, here we go. Yellow peppers. All right. Get in there, cut them yellow peppers up. If you don't like bell peppers, mix them into something because they really taste like what you season them with, what you mix them with. Because I heard people like, I don't like peppers. What you mean you don't like peppers? They're really good for you. Season them well. That's how you get them good. And you can cook them several different ways. You can stir fry them. You can bake them. You can do stuffed bell peppers where you just cut the top of the bell pepper off, take it off, and pile it with whatever you like. Rice, meat, other veggies. So good. Make sure you oil your stuff. That's how your seasoning sticks on. This sauce right here, I can't even say it, but you know the W sauce. You know. I can't even put it into words, but y'all know. Now we got us some sausage. I'm using some turkey Polish sausage. Excuse me for that. Turkey Polish sausage. And we're going to cut this sausage on up to get on our sheet pan. These sheet pan meals are really good for meal prepping. If you're into meal prepping, this is a good way to cook a lot of stuff at one time, which I'm going to be doing on the show. I'm going to show you more easy meals that you can make at home. Oh, by the way, this is kid-friendly because my son, he tore this up when we ate. And he was like, oh, this is thumbs up. He even ate the other half. I was going to try to have it for lunch 2 times or something. He ate the other one. So only had it for lunch for 1 time. But it's all good. That means he enjoyed it, and I would definitely do it again. So down to the potatoes. I usually like to do the little yellow golden potatoes, but I only had russet potatoes, and I had to use these before they went bad. So we cutting up the potatoes. And y'all, this right here is what it's looking like. So season all good.
20 minutes later.
And here's the finished product. Looking all good. Good. Since this meal is a quick meal, we're definitely using paper plates. Nothing wrong with a paper plate. Store it in the trash. On your cutting boards, your knives, your bowls, and your sheet pan, and you're good to go. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you guys next time for more quick and easy meals.